tell. Don't overthink it. If you're ready, it's a sure thing. Push away. I'm scared of a baby's tears.
Oh, but the other people said that.
Way less of a line than the other one, I'm assuming.
I've rejected affection for years and years. No, I haven't. And then it's kind of weird. Who tells me I'm pretty? Don't know how to respond. I tell him that he's pretty too. Can I say that? Don't have a clue. With every passing moment, I surprise myself. I'm scared of flies, I'm scared of guys. Someone please help, 'cause I think I've fallen in love this time. I blinked and suddenly I had a valentine. Da ba da ba 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 da da ba. Da ba da ba da ba. Da ba 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 ba. What if he's the last one I kiss? What if he's the only one I'll ever miss? Maybe I should know